Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Go ahead and click on your start menu. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on apps. Then go ahead and click on default apps. Then right here you have Acrobat. So here we go. Go ahead and click on Acrobat app. And right here, go ahead and click on it. And here we go. You have Acrobat app right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure you come to set as default. Now, once you click on set as default, for every PDF you have on your PC, it's going to be opened by Acrobat. Like for instance, this particular PDF right here, I'm going to select on it. I will right click on it. Then after I click on it, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I look for open with. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on Adobe Acrobat right here. Click on it. And in a few seconds, it's going to open right here, just by courtesy right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.